A warm welcome to everyone who's present here, including all the mentors, core team, participants, and our beloved audiences. I'd like to introduce you to our fabulous team, that is our head, Manikant Kumar, and Astha Agrawal, my co-assistant heads, that is Sadik Paul, and me, that is Vinish, and our, sorry, and our equally fabulous mentors, that is Amin Izhar, Pompa Shorkar, and Dr. Priyanka Jaswal. Today we have with us our volunteers who have worked really hard for this event, that is Insha Sami, Prerna Jaiswal, and Kausar Chakraborty. So let me tell you something. What is this event Avra is all about? The idea Avra is to explore one's creativity and bring people together. It targets upon unleashing the art in its truest form. So the event Avra is divided into four segments. The first one is Mosiki, that is music. The second one is drama, that is drama. The third one is technique, that is art. And the fourth one is ink sync. So today we have a very special guest with us, our very own alumni, Mr. Rohit Chokhani. Words feel short when we talk about him. Therefore, I would request him to say something and let us know his overall view on Avra and what he felt when he saw the beautiful execution of the participant of Ink Sync, the segment he will be judging of. Mr. Rohit Chokhani.
Thank you for your kind words, Binish. So I feel honored literally because when I got the invitation via mail, I said this that it is so grateful and I extend my gratitude towards obviously my alma mater, I lead, that they thought me as a guest in this event. And okay, so like obviously I have been a part of iLead like 4 years back, and I have seen it grow both in terms of the students who are coming in, college wise, infrastructure wise. And I'm so proud right now being an alumni, seeing the kind of events you guys are hosting as various departments, the the new and the unique talent you guys are bringing in through these kind of events. So I can just say that thank you so much. And I saw the entries for the specific event which I judged, and I was really elated to see that okay, like students are thinking it in so different ways. They are participating in huge numbers. So it's a great thing. And all in one, this event was a great one because I was in touch with I am in touch with few people from the college still. And whenever these kind of events are published on Facebook or in various college groups, I get to know about it. I have a word with them that, okay, so what is it about? Okay, this is really interesting. This is unique. Okay, in our times it was like this, but you have made it so unique. And so like you have changed it for good and in a very beautiful manner. So yeah, it was a good one. And thank you. Thank you for giving me this honor.
That was really kind of you, Rohit. So we'll be playing all the videos from the Ink Sync. And so let me share the screen. Please let me know whether the screen is visible or not.
Yes, the
Yes, it
screen is
is.
visible.
Thank you so much. So let's start with InkSync. Here is our first team. That is Ankesh Pandey, Gaurav Prerna, and Muskan.
हेलो। हाँ, मैं ना 3 बजे के आसपास कॉल करती हूँ तुमको वापस।
अच्छा, ओके, ठीक है।
हाँ, बाय।
सुइयों की टिक-टिक में, हवाओं के शोर में गायब हुए हम जैसे चंदा चकोर में। बातें बनाता मैं, खुद को समझाता मैं। फोन, लैपटॉप, पंखे, हर जगह तुम्हें पाता मैं। तुम शोर मचाकर गायब हो जाती, तुम्हारे ख्वाबों में बंद आंखें खुल जाती। फिर खोजूं तुम्हें मैं और उदास हो जाऊं, न पाऊं तुम्हें तो निराश हो जाऊं। वो मटकती आंखें, वो हंसता चेहरा, मानो सामने आके मुझसे कुछ कह रहा। वो जुबां पे तड़प, वो बाल लहराते और लहरा लहरा कर मुझको छू जाते। वो चांदनी टपकती गले से तुम्हारे, जैसे चमकती रोशनी में पानी के फुहारे। चाहता हूँ भीगना मैं उनके छींटों से, बातें तुम्हारी मैं करता हूँ ईंटों से। पता चल चुका है घर के दीवारों को, वो जान से गए हैं अब मेरे इशारों को कि मुझ में पस्ती तुम्हारी तमन्ना है, कि मुझको अब बस तुम्हारा ही बनना है। तुम्हारी याद में बेचैनी सी छाई है, प्लग और चार्जर पे नजरें गड़ाई हैं। देखता हूँ उनको मैं हर 5 मिनट पे। 3 बज के पार हो गए, मैं चला गया छत पे। उनके बात करने का वक्त गुजर गया, आज वो याद नहीं करेंगे ये मैं समझ गया। कुछ देर बाद बजी घंटी, मुझे लगा इस वक्त कौन आया। खुशी के मारे देखा, चलो आखिरकार उनका फोन आया, आखिरकार उनका फोन आया।
So that was our first team. How beautiful it was.
Vinesh, can I add something just a second?
Yes, ma'am.
When the students got in with this idea, it was a difficult one, but the first video, the first entry set the ball rolling. It's perfectly done. Syncing those students, bringing them together, different locations. So yeah, a challenging one, but good effort. We expect more such.
Team 1 really beautifully done. Editing is very beautiful.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Exactly. The editing was.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Very good.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So let's continue with the team 2. Team 1 was indeed very fabulous. Yes, team 2, we have Simran, Aryan and Debabrata.
सोचा था होगा ये साल मेरा, नए रंग से नए ढंग से होगा नया अंदाज मेरा, ऐसा मैंने सोचा था।
ना होगी कुछ परेशानियाँ, होगा मन खुशहाल मेरा, होगा ये साल मेरा, ऐसा मैंने सोचा था। सोचा तो था पर हुआ कहाँ, कोशिशें लाख की पर मेरा हुआ कहाँ।
सोचा था अब जिंदगी थोड़ी आसान होगी, थोड़ा नाम थोड़ी पहचान होगी।
पर किसने सोचा था ये साल एक काली रात होगी।
कुछ अनसुनी अनकही ये बात होगी।
Very nicely done, nicely presented. I wanted to hear more.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, exactly. I also
I was waiting
to hear more.
there's something more, but yeah, good effort. Thank
Yeah,
you.
very
Yeah,
precise.
it was. Yes, exactly. Very good. Very nice.
But I want to hear more. Simran, please do something more.
I was
Good.
also just waiting to listen. I
Yeah,
was just
yeah,
waiting.
exactly.
Next,
But
it will come, but suddenly it
ended.
got ended. Yeah.
Ended, yeah.
Nice. Very good.
But well done, Simran, and whole team. Team 2 was very good.
So
Now
let's
only 2 students are there,
yes, Aditya and Tarvit.
and Tarit. Okay.
2020 द अनफॉर्चुनेट ईयर। इस साल बहुत लोगों ने बहुत कुछ देखा है और बहुत कुछ सहा है, पर हम बच्चों ने अपना स्कूल लाइफ खोया है। सो दिस पोएट्री इज बेसिकली डेडिकेटेड टू माई स्कूल। सो हियर इट गोज लाइक दिस। इस गेट से आया था मैं और अब इस गेट से ही जा रहा हूँ। बहुत सारी यादें बनाई हैं, उन्हें साथ ले जा रहा हूँ। याद आ रहे हैं वो दिन जब पहली बार आया था मैं, ब्लू पैंट वाइट शर्ट शॉर्ट हेयर्स में। सोचा था पता नहीं कैसा सरकारी स्कूल है ये, पर आज उन्हीं कपड़ों को पहनने के लिए तरस रहा हूँ मैं। ये जो बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट है ना, यही असेंबली होती थी हमारी, और पता नहीं क्यों बहुतों को असेंबली में जाने से पहले ही हो जाती थी बहुत तरह की बीमारी। धूप में बेहोश होने से लेकर लास्ट ईयर बच्चों को धूप में पानी पिलाने तक का बहुत लंबा सफ़र रहा है। और जब अब हम जा रहे हैं तब ये स्कूल रेनोवेट हो रहे हैं। सबका तो नहीं पता, पर एक राउंड मेरे लिए बहुत स्पेशल है, क्योंकि इसमें अनकाउंटेबल मेरी यादें हैं। चाहे गेम्स का पीरियड हो या ना हो, हर क्लास के बाद 5 ही मिनट के लिए पर जाके कुछ खेल के ही आना है। कितनी बार डांट पड़ी क्लास 7 से लेकर 12 तक, पर मेरा दिल कहता है तुझे उधर ही जाना है। जब स्कूल में था तो कॉलेज जाने का दिल करता था। अब स्कूल के दिन को याद करता आ रहा हूँ। माना राह में मिले कई साथ, कुछ का छूटा और कुछ का छोड़ता आ रहा हूँ। पर अब बस यही चाहता हूँ कि जो साथ है उनका साथ हमेशा रहे, यही दुआ करता आ रहा हूँ।
God, that made me emotional. Okay.
It's really very heart touching. I remember my school days
Really.
long years back. Very nice.
This is a solo entry, I guess.
No, ma'am, it's in team.
One Tarit Das
Okay.
has edited the video and
Mhm.
Aditya has recited the poem.
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
okay.
Mm.
Good
Proceed.
effort. Thank you. Next.
Yeah,
Thank you, ma'am.
well done Tarit and Aditya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, here's the team 4 with Huzaifa and Saida.
देखो ना, देखते देखते हम साल के आखिर में आ गए। हमारा हाल बदला और अब कुछ ही वक्त में ये साल बदला।
हाँ देखो ना, देखते देखते हम साल के आखिर में आ गए। शुरू किया था किसी किनारे से कभी, अब देखो जैसे साहिल पर आ गए।
शुरुआती दिनों में जैसे सब कुछ मुश्किल था। ना घर से निकलने की इजाज़त थी, ना बिना मास्क के कहीं रुकना था।
पर अब जैसे सब कुछ अच्छा सा लग रहा है। घर वालों के साथ वक्त बिताना भी और बेवक्त वक्त तुमसे मास्क पहनकर मिलना भी।
तुम जैसे और पास आ गई मेरे 2020 में।
तुम्हारे साथ बिताया वक्त ये न खोने दूंगी मैं कभी किसी चीज़ में।
तुम थे पूरे साल साथ में।
हो गम, हो खुशी या चिड़चिड़ाहट किसी बात की,
हो वर्क फ्रॉम होम का प्रेशर या किस्सा जूम पर किसी क्लास की।
तुम साथ थे हमेशा, कद्र की मेरे हर एक जज्बात की।
तुम पास थी हमेशा, तुम मेरे हर सर्दी के इलाज थी।
देखो ना, देखते देखते ये पूरा साल गुजर गया।
देखो ना, देखते देखते ये मुश्किल हाल गुजर गया।
Kudos to Devraj for such great shots.
But volume is very low.
Okay, ma'am. Yes,
Was it the network issue or it's in the video only?
No, ma'am, I presume the network
Exactly,
issue.
Yeah, because I heard it fine. I
Yes,
presume it was a
ma'am.
network issue.
It was a network issue.
Might be. But I couldn't hear properly.
Okay, ma'am.
No,
Volume was
I
very
heard
low,
maybe
very low.
network problem, Priyanka ma'am, maybe.
Okay,
Because
okay,
I heard
okay.
clearly over here.
Okay. That might be.
Maybe, yeah, yes.
Yeah. Okay.
It's good effort by the team.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
And we'll see it again if we have time in the end.
Yes, ma'am. It was
Yeah.
really
The
nice.
edited one, editing is really very good. I thought
Very
that
nice. Yeah.
they were together, but it was edited very good. Nice one.
Yes, ma'am. That was really nice. Now we have the next team. Next, we have Monica and Aruz.
ये पोइट्री उनके लिए है जो इश्क तो करते हैं पर इश्क में कभी मुकम्मल नहीं हो पाते। तुम भी वही हो, मैं भी वही हूँ, पर वक्त तब भी कुछ और था और वक्त आज भी कुछ और है। तूने ज़माने से टकराने की हिम्मत कब रखी थी, तुझसे ज़माने का डर तब भी वही था, आज भी वही है। बड़ी मुश्किल तेरी आंखों में मेरा प्यार मजाक तब भी था, आज भी वही। तेरी पनाहों में दो जहां का सुकून मिला था मुझको। मेरी जिस्म को तेरी जरूरत तब भी वही थी, आज भी वही। मेरी हर तमन्ना की बिखरन को समेटा था तूने। तुझसे टूटी मेरी उम्मीद की तड़प तब भी वही थी, आज भी वही।
खाने की रवायतें जरूरी थी तेरे लिए, तुझ पर बंदिशें तब भी वही थी, आज भी वही। अपनी आंखों के करार के लिए मैंने रोज तेरे दर तक सफर किया था। तेरे लिए बेताबी मेरे दिल में तब भी वही थी, आज भी वही। चंद लफ्जों में इश्क बयां करने का मौका ही ना मिल पाया था कभी। तुझसे ये कबूल करने की हसरत तब भी वही थी, आज भी वही। कमबख्त जमाना कब आशिकों का यार हुआ है। दुश्मनी का ये दौर तब भी वही था, आज भी वही है। गुलशन के इंतजार को बहारें साल दर साल अंजाम देती है। मेरे आशियाने में बहारों का इंतजार तब भी वही था, आज भी वही है। जिंदगी में तो तू मुझसे नसीब ही ना था, मगर मेरे ख्वाबों में तेरा होना तब भी वही था, आज भी वही है।
Okay, the poetry was really nice.
Exactly.
Yes, it was really well executed. Okay, now we have team 6. We have Anshita, Pahel, and Sneha along with Indrakshi.
Hey 2020, you gave us Corona, Nisarg, Amphan, but you know what? You also gave us racism. We realized that you're tough, but successfully and hopefully we will mold you into a good one. Hey 2020, you gave us Hanta, you gave us locusts. Darling, for sure, we are tougher. Mars, we are not living under the sea. Mars is still unsettled. Mail is not sent by rockets. But in 2020, all apples have faces now. Apps have not evolved to work for us. Aliens have not made contact. We still have 10 toes. We cannot breathe under the water. But in 2020, we still sing songs instead of talking. There is still hunger, there is still war, but we can't teleport to a holiday destination or read each other's mind. But in 2020, Dorokines got into the water supply. Hibernation became an art form of hermit's life in communes. Lek and Veda were never strangers again.
Okay, that was nice. That was reality check.
Yeah.
So I presume that is our last participant for the ink sync. And then we have Mosiki. I'll carry forward it to Sadik. Sadik?
Yes, thank you so much, Binish. So, talking about Mosiki, Mosiki is all about music. It is all about expressing oneself in the form of music. And furthermore, I would like to introduce our judge for this event, Mosiki, Mr. Rohit Sabu. He's not only a chartered accountant, but also a musician. His work includes singing, composing, voiceover, radio jingle making, lyrics writing, and everything related to use of voice. He's a finalist of 1MG Voice Hunt and Gopalan Super Singers Bangalore, and also he was among the top 80 singers in Voice of Bangalore. Now, I would request Mr. Rohit Sabu to say a few words.
Hi, Sadiq. First of all, kudos to the team. Like even in this phase of Corona and lockdown, you guys are doing so well. You've arranged the whole event so well organized, and the videos took me all back to my school days, and it's glad seeing all the videos. So yeah, kudos to the team. You guys have done it wonderfully.
Thank you so much, sir, for those lovely words.
Yeah.
So now I request Benish to show us the performances, the videos.
Yeah, sure. Again, please let me know when the screen is visible.
Yeah,
Yes,
it's
yes.
Okay, great. So I'll start off with the first
Uh,
part.
First participants are Snehal and Shivam.
देखा हजारों दफा आपको, फिर बेकरारी कैसी है, संभालिए संभलता नहीं ये दिल, कुछ आप में बात ऐसी है। लेकर इजाजत अब आपसे, सांसें आती जाती है, ढूंढने से मिलती नहीं है हम, बस आप ही आप बाकी है। पल भर न दूरी सहे आपसे, बेताबिया ये कुछ और है। हम दूर होके भी पास हैं, नजदीकियां ये कुछ और है। देखा हजारों दफा आपको, फिर बेकरारी कैसी है, संभाले संभलता नहीं ये दिल, कुछ प्यार में बात ऐसी है, कुछ प्यार में बात ऐसी है, कुछ प्यार में बात ऐसी है।
God,
Well, this was a lovely performance.
Awesome.
my mind is blown away. Okay.
So our next participants are Ninish.
I am so sorry, just a technical glitch.
Mentors, would you like to add something? Want to say something about this performance?
Yes, it was so nicely presented. Means this actually the concept the students has understood, and so nicely they performed, and they catch together. It's really mind blowing. Very nice.
Yeah.
Right. Very nice.
Combination was very good.
Thank you so
Yes,
much,
Both the
ma'am.
girls.
yes.
Well
So,
played.
so would you like to add something with this? Okay, so moving on to the next performance, we have yes,
So here it's Snehal and Shivam.
yeah, exactly.
मैं तो बादलों से दूर जाऊंगी, मैं तो अपना ही सुर पाऊंगी, है जो क्रेजी क्रेजी सपने मेरे सारे चुन के मैं बुन आऊंगी। हम माना इस दुनिया की हूँ ही नहीं, मैं अपनी ही दुनिया बनाऊंगी, कि एक जिंदगी मेरी सौ ख्वाहिशां, हाँ एक जिंदगी मेरी सौ ख्वाहिशां, एक एक मैं पूरी करां, एक जिंदगी मेरी सौ ख्वाहिशां, मैं जीना मैं पूरी
मैं जीना मैं पूरी तरह ओ, सबकी रोक है टोक है लोक है जोक है पर दिल में फिर भी होप है ना। लाइफ थोड़ी हार्ड है अनदेखे कार्ड है पर हम भी तो स्टार है ना। हम आना इस दुनिया की हूँ ही नहीं मैं अपनी दुनिया बनाऊंगी। ओ, 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 एक जिंदगी मेरी 100 ख्वाहिशां एक एक मैं पूरी करां। एक जिंदगी मेरी 100 ख्वाहिशां मैं जीना मैं पूरी तरह। मैं जीना मैं पूरी तरह। ओ,
Yeah, how beautiful it was.
So beautiful.
I think the song makes it more beautiful. The song is so beautiful.
Yes, really, song was very beautiful.
And it is so nice that Shivam was playing the instrument while Snehal was singing. It was like a complete composition in its
different.
own.
Yes,
Yes,
exactly.
it was so beautiful.
Very nice composition. Very nicely done. Like I was just glued to it. Last entry I missed. My screen just froze. But this was amazing. Great.
Ma'am, it was from Anushka and Shreya. Even they did a fabulous job. It was so sweet.
Okay.
Okay,
My regards to all the teams. Amazing entries, I must say.
yes, ma'am. We had only 2 entries this time for the Mosiki round, that is music. And I would like to say thank you to Rohit for judging this round. It was really great.
It was
Thank you
my
so
honor.
much.
Okay, now carry forwarding with Pearl.
Yeah. So, hello everyone. So now we will carry forward with Techni, which is art. So it is basically the expression of human creative skills and imagination in a visual form. The works to be appreciated primarily for their beauty or emotional power. So the judge for Techni is Zainab F. Alam. She is an amazing artist. She's from Kolkata, and she's a self-taught artist who has been painting vibrant, colorful, abstract, and realistic landscape paintings for the last 6 years. So let's see the entries. Okay, so the first team is Kathakali Mandal and Shoradeep Garai. This painting is basically judged by Zainab F. Alam, and she has let's see the paintings first.
Okay. Wow, that was like entire coronavirus in one frame.
Yeah,
that's so sweet.
Goes with the
Very
so this
nice team one, Sauradeep and Kathakali. Well done.
team 2 is Khushbu Feroz and Khushbu Agarwal. Sorry, Khubru Feroz.
Wow, this looks
Very
so
nice.
nice.
It's
Very
outstanding.
nice.
Very nice.
No words to praise.
Yeah, well done.
The third team is Isha Shaw and Isha Hajram.
Oh, like they
Wow.
seriously represented the entire diversity in one single thing.
Yeah,
So beautiful.
idea is really, really very beautiful.
Exactly. So moving on to the next team, the team four, Isha Sami and Sana Nawaz.
Okay, this is one side, I guess we have digital art, and the other side is art which is hand drawn, I guess. Incha is our volunteer for today.
Yeah, exactly. She's a
So,
volunteer.
Incha, do you like to say something? Do you like to say something, Incha?
Yeah, on the one side of the frame, we've tried to present the situation like the entire 2020. On the other side, we've tried to make Wonder Woman like we have to like fight against the situation. We can't just give up. So this is what we planned of bringing on screen.
Very
It
nice.
is, yeah, it is
It
seen
is,
very.
yes, it is indeed extraordinary.
Really.
Thank you.
Okay. Moving on to the fifth team, which is Ankita Kumar, and this is our last team, right? So Ankita Kumar and Swarnav Bagchi.
Okay. There is a lot of digital art going on here. It is
exactly.
I presume it is entirely digital art. A lot of work.
Yes.
A lot of
Exactly.
work. Is Ankita here?
Hello.
Yes,
Yeah.
Ankita.
The concept
Yes.
is very
So,
nice.
exactly.
Really, concept is very nice.
Thank you.
Amazing.
Ankita, would you like to speak something about your amazing piece of art?
It was like we were thinking about the corona, and everybody's like, there will be something doctor stuff and the medical. So we were just thinking like we should be like corona is like the small like we were thinking in a different thing. So we created this like devilish and the good side of it. So that's it.
Okay. So that was really nice. So we have our next thing, which is drama. So drama also, the judge for drama, he is Shantanu Parshar. He couldn't make it today due to some medical issues, but he has in fact sent a video for you all, so which we'll be seeing. So I would like to say a few words about Shantanu. He is an inspiring fitness coach and author. He has around 15.7K followers on Instagram. Along with that, he is a self-made man who owns a YouTube channel where he has around 86K subscribers. He mostly gives most honest reviews about TV shows and Bollywood movies. He is also a co-creator and Men XP official. So you guys must be knowing him.
Hi guys, I'm Shantanu, the creator of Honestly Saying.
Yeah, Vinish, start the video.
Hi guys, I'm Shantanu, the creator of Honestly Saying movie reviews on YouTube and one of the two original creators of Honest Movie Reviews on Men's XP's YouTube channel. So guys, first of all, a big thank you for making me your guest of honor, and secondly, I'm so sorry that I cannot be with you in person because of the time difference of time in our time zones here. But nonetheless, I'm very honored to be a guest of honor with you guys, and मैं यही चाहता हूँ कि ये इवेंट और आगे बढ़े. द वे द टीम एक्सप्लेन मी अबाउट द इवेंट और जितना उन्होंने मुझे बताया मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा ये सुन के इवेंट के बारे में. द हार्ड वर्क यू गाइज आर पुटिंग इन, द क्रिएटिव टैलेंट दिस whole show, the whole event is bringing together inside of the institution. That's a great move by this festival. And guys, again, I literally hope that I could have been with you, but मैं नहीं आ पाऊँगा because of the time differences amongst us. But then again, a big round of applause for the team who put together this event and to all the guys who have come in attendance and have actually attended this event. Thank you guys and see you.
Oh, this was Shantanu Prashar. Let's move on to the video. and we have got only one entries, but that is an amazing video. The people who are in the video are Anshita Chaudhary, Ayush Vishwas, and Koil Sardar. Let's watch the video.
Oh, finally, 3 minutes left to end this year. What a year it was. Wait, let me just call my friends once.
What's up, bro?
देख मुझे पता है you are also barely like me. मुझे पता है तेरा आज कोई plans नहीं है, so please talk to me. Bore हो रहा हूँ मैं.
Oh, I was just binge watching on Netflix. भाई 2020 है, यही तो लाइफ बन चुकी है.
Yeah, true, यार, absolutely.
Wait, bro. Let me add a quote. She's also very like us, bro.
Yes.
Wait, I on the other line. Add कर लेते हैं. रुक जाओ.
So?
2020 खत्म हो रहा है भाई.
Yeah.
Bro.
Duck you, chicken you, broccoli you. Yeah.
Guys, listen. I know this year was very bad. कुछ अच्छा नहीं हुआ हम लोगों के साथ. But there are also moments जहाँ पे हम लोगों ने मजे किए. We have laughed together. So let's just recall them ना. क्यों happy ending खराब कर रहे हो तुम लोग? Happy ending है ना तो happy ending ही चाहिए. Let's just do this.
Actually, you are right. We should do this. What do you say, Koel?
Yes. Yes.
संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है.
क्या नाम है भैया आपका?
आयुष.
पढ़ लेते हो भैया आप?
लीड में पढ़ता हूँ.
कितने घंटे पढ़ लेते हो आप?
10-15 मिनट इंसेंटिव लगा के कमा लेते हो.
350 डेली का.
विनोद.
सुंदर हमें क्या कर रहे हो?
क्या नौटंकी है ये?
Her choice. It's her choice. It's her choice. मेरी बात. It's her choice.
ड्रग दो मुझे ड्रग दो मुझे ड्रग चाहिए ड्रग दो.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Okay, this was the drama. So, ma'am, Priyanka ma'am, Pompa ma'am, would you like to
Yeah.
say something? Amreen ma'am?
Yeah, very.
This-
Yeah, ma'am.
Without any competition, they won this. But great effort. This is the only entry that we got for this round. Great effort. Great concept, nicely edited. I guess we got so many comments in the comment section from fellow students. Good job, guys.
Yeah, it was really very mind blowing. The new concept, the techniques that students, how beautifully they just assemble everything and edit it and done. It's really awesome. One word, awesome.
Yeah, really amazing.
Yeah.
Drama is only one entry is there, but it's good.
Ma'am,
Very
it's only
nice.
one. Yes, ma'am.
Editing is very well done, and concept is also very nice.
Yes, ma'am. Even though it's just one entry, they have managed to cover up everything.
Yeah,
Entire thing.
everything.
Entire
everything,
2020.
New
every aspect.
concept. Yeah, this time even it's a new concept rather.
All in
Isn't
one. All in one.
All in one. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Nice.
It was so great. Every single segment, every single video, every single participant, they were truly very amazing. And we cannot be really thankful. Like, we couldn't be happier. So we also have Rohit still with us. So Rohit Sabu, sir, are you here? Yes, sir. So since you're here, we would request you, can you sing a few lines for our beautiful audience and our beloved participants?
Sure.
That would be great.
So you have anyone's favorite song or something like that?
Any song would work that is close to you.
The best song, basically, it would work.
Sure. So I'll sing something very popular and something which everyone knows. Am I audible properly?
Yes, you're very much
Yes, you are.
audible.
Yes, yes.
Give me just some seconds. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा, तुझसे जुदा अगर हो जाएंगे तो खुद से भी हो जाएंगे जुदा, कोई लम्हा मेरा न हो तेरे बिना, हर सांस में नाम तेरा। क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो, तुम ही हो, तुम ही हो। Thank you.
That was so beautiful.
Thank you
That
so
was
much.
very
Zabardas, love this song.
beautiful.
All of a sudden, our comment section has exploded with
Yes,
comments.
Exactly.
It was
Really, very
really
nice.
beautiful. It was
Yeah,
so
Mr. Rohit sang the song, which is my favorite. It's very,
Thank you.
very beautiful, melodious, very
Yeah,
nice.
yeah. Thank you so
That
much.
is so nice. Okay, is Mr. Chokhani, Rohit Chokhani with us? Okay, is Mr. Rohit Chokhani
Yes,
here?
Binish, I'm here.
Yes. Why wouldn't you say a few lines? Like,
Yeah, Rohit, we
that
want to
would be
hear from you.
great. Yes, sir. Rohit,
Yes,
please.
Rohit, we are eagerly waiting for your comment.
Comment
Thank
or
you, Pompa
something
ma'am.
if you want to
Like,
share
Yes.
with us.
Yes, ma'am. Please, Rohit.
uh,
Please
to
say
be
a
honest,
few.
I like this is completely like you guys have blown me because I haven't prepared something like that I wanted to speak or something. But
Anything, whatever you have written in
mm,
lockdown, you can share with us, isn't
so
it?
basically, we all have cursed to 2020 a lot. We have spoken too many things. Anything which has happened in 2020, we have blamed it that okay, it was because of 2020. So this is just to neutralize it about every year. So I wrote it quite a long back. These are 4 lines I'll just say. हर साल हम नए सपने सजाते हैं, हर साल हम पुरानी यादों को छुपाते हैं, हर साल हम नए सपने सजाते हैं, हर साल हम पुरानी यादों को छुपाते हैं, हर साल हम नए रिश्ते बनाते हैं, पर हर साल हम वही पुरानी चोट खाते हैं. So this was something I wrote.
Okay, it was so nice.
It's
It
Hello.
was
really
so
very
nice.
good.
Beautiful.
Very nice, Rohit.
That was
Well
really
said,
nice.
Rohit.
Thank you so much.
Okay, always give.
Always has content and he needs a little muska every time, right, Rohit?
No, I mean, ma'am, nothing like that. But
Thank
yeah,
you.
I like writing emotional stuffs. So nothing of like you guys have heard it in the college, obviously. So yeah, that's it.
Sujata is
And we like
writing.
reading it also and listening it in your voice. So thank you for being there.
Thank you. Thank you for inviting me. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Yes, Sujata is writing big fan. I guess we all have become till now of Rohit. So that is it.
Yeah, thank
And
you.
now let's see who the winners are. Rohit Chokhani, would you like to announce the winners of the Ink Sync?
Yeah, surely. So, to be honest, all the entries were great, but obviously the marking criteria was based upon 5 parameters, and everyone was really unique in the way they wrote the poetry, because in your first year you're doing this. I obviously came out in my second year and I started writing poetries, and then with the support of the mentors and my fellow students, I started writing a bit more. So everyone was great. So announcing the runner-ups, I think I have to recall the names because they are new for me. So just a second. Binish, can you help me with the names?
Yes, yes. The runner-up is Ankesh team.
Yeah, Ankesh and Muskan, I guess, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, so I really loved the way the recitation was, the lyrics were coordinating, and like it was really great. The way they have filmed the poetry and everything, it was really great. And the winners are, any guesses? I just want to see if people can guess that who the winners are. Sujata doesn't have
Saida.
any right to say because she already Sujata do not.
Saida. Saida
So
and
the
team.
the winners are, sorry, Astha is guessing something.
Saida and team.
Yeah. Astha is
Yes,
correct. So
same.
they are the winners. The way they wrote the poetry, the way it was filmed and everything. Congratulations, Saida
Congratulations.
and Huzaifa.
Thank you so much. Thank
Congratulations.
you.
We have Saida with us. Saida, please say something. Okay, I guess network
Thank you
kind
so
of.
much. I'm actually having some network issues.
Okay.
Okay, is Ankesh here?
Hello. Same here. The
Yes,
network issues
Ankesh.
are making me disconnected. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
We even have Muskan, your teammate, Ankesh, Muskan.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
And then proceeding with Mosiki. Is Rohit Sabu still with us? Yes, would you like to
Yes.
announce the winners?
Yeah, so basically, I liked both the performance. I wish there were more performances, but yeah, I liked both of them. All the four were performing at their best. Based on some of the parameters, the clear winner is Snehal and Shivam.
Very
Congratulations, Snehal.
congratulations. Are any of them here? Nehal?
Hi, yes, I'm Snehal. Thank you
Yes.
so much.
Congratulations.
And
Thank you.
yeah, both of them were so beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay. Then continuing with coming up to Ink Sync. Pearl.
Yeah, in sync we have done. Drama, we know that the winners are Anshita and group, Anshita, Koyal, and Ayush. Are you guys here?
Any of them?
Okay. No one is here.
Okay, I guess I presume no one.
Yeah.
So anyway, it was great.
Yeah. Moving on to Techni. So the teams which have won in Techni, 1 second, I'm just checking.
By that time, first of all, I would like to say something that I was going through the score sheets, okay, And the thing that I noticed that people have done such a great job. I am like so happy. I couldn't be more happier. This event overall has been so amazing, and mostly I would like to thank every single person who is present here, every single one of you, and especially our mentors who have bared with us for so long. Thank you so much.
मैं बीच में डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई थी, really very sorry. Congratulations to all the winners and runners.
Happy
All the
to be
winners.
present. Yeah, happy to be here.
Yeah.
To
Yeah.
see all the events. Really, very nice. Congratulations to all the teams, all the winners.
All the teams
And even the
winners are here.
organizers, students, you did a great job. So
Thank you so
Binesh,
much.
Manikant, Astha, and Sadik. Sorry, new name, I'm stepping in.
Ma'am, you forgot my name.
And Binesh, thanks a lot.
Thank you, ma'am.
We also have our volunteers here who have worked very hard. That is Prerna, Inshan, Kaustav. Three of them have worked really hard, and you know, we are so happy to see three of you. And coincidentally, three of them are in first years, so it's a new experience for them. So it feels like it's just a year back. So it was so great. It was so wonderful to work with three of you, Insha, Prerna, and Kaustav.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so
You
much,
all were
Dee.
amazing.
It was
Thank
really
you.
a great opportunity to work with you all too. Like
Yes,
we
Dee.
really learned so many things from you, honestly speaking.
Okay, before announcing the uh, winners of InkSync, we have our core team here. So, Mubashir?
Hello, Benish. Am I audible?
Yes, since it is the last event of the year, so I would request you to say something in the behalf of the core team. How was the overall event for you? Did you enjoy
Yeah.
it?
So first of all, a very good afternoon to one and all present here. This is Mubashir, as already introduced by Benish. And before I say anything else, I would like to say congratulations to the Seminar and Events Club for ending the year on a high note after doing such an amazing and creative event. Also, a big thank you to all the participants for coming out in big numbers to support all the clubs to make their respective events successful. Also, I hope to see the same zeal and energy carrying forward to the next year, and I wish it brings a lot of joy to all of us. With that, I would like to say a very happy and a prosperous new year to one and all on behalf of the whole student council. Thank you, Benish, for having me here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mubashir. And today we also have Astha. Astha, would you like to say something? Astha, our head, our beloved, our very own head.
Hello, everybody. I hope you all are doing well. Hello, mentors.
Hello,
I
Astha. How are
wasn't-
you?
I'm good, ma'am. I hope you all are doing fine. First of all, a very, very big congratulations to all of you. And sorry, I cannot, turn on my video. I do not want you all to see me in the very bad phase that I am right now. So, all of you have done pretty well, and I am really, really inspired by looking at all these entries today, and I want to congratulate all of you for pulling off such an extraordinary event. And a special kudos to Benish, Sadik, and Pearl. You did a fantastic job, and I am saying this on behalf of both me and Manikant, because we have seen how you have been working relentlessly for this event. And the three volunteers, Kaustav, Insha, and Prerna, without even coming to college, you guys have started volunteering for events. I hope this was a good experience for you all. And I am really excited to look forward to work more with you people. And congratulations again. And please announce the winners for other events as well now. I would give the virtual podium back to Benish. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Astha.
Also, sorry, one last thing.
Thank you
Happy
so
New
much,
Year to all
Astha.
of you. Now take the podium, Binish. Sorry.
Astha, we missed you a lot, and we still, and we are so happy to see you. Though not via your video, but
Your voice.
hear your voice. So it was so great.
Thank you.
While that is happening, can few of the participants talk about how they came up with the ideas of doing what they did? Does any of the participant want to say something about their ideas or anything of that sort? Anyone? Saida, are you here? Monica, would you like to say something? Prerna, even you were a participant, right?
Yes, Didi. Like,
so you can talk about how did you came up with the idea and how was the execution? Did you like the event?
actually, Didi, basically the idea was Ankesh's idea. I only edited the video and everything. So
That's good. Binish, are we ready with the results?
Yes, Astha, we are ready
Yes,
with the
I'm
results.
really sorry for the
Okay.
technical issue. We are ready with the
Yes.
winners.
So,
Okay.
okay.
Yeah.
What
So
would you
shall
like
I?
to announce? Yes,
Yes.
please.
So the winners for the technique is Kathakali Mandal and Sauradeep Garai, and the runner-up is Insha Sami and Sana Nawaz.
Congratulations,
everyone.
congratulations, Sauradeep,
Congratulations.
Katkali.
A very huge congratulations to every single one.
Sauradeep is here. Katkali and Sauradeep both are here.
I presume not. So I guess Inshans, is Sana here?
Yeah, thank you so much, guys.
Yes.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Okay, I presume your extraordinary work did worked a lot.
Yeah, I guess so.
Yes, so congratulations, a huge congratulations to everyone, and thank you so much for joining us in. It was a great event, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much, everyone.
We shall end the meeting now. Thank you so much for joining us in.